Here we will see array functions in PHP. First is Arraypad, which returns a copy of the array padded to the size specified by the length with value. If length is positive, the array is padded on the right, and if it is negative, then it is padded on left. If the absolute value of length is less than or equal to the length of the array, then no padding takes place. General syntax is Arraypad, then array size value, where array specifies the name of the array, size specifies the number of elements in the array returned from the function, and value specifies the value of new elements in the array returned from the function. Here is an example. First, array A is defined with elements C# and Java. And if I use Arraypad function with 5 PHP, it will add 3 extra elements with value PHP, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And if I specify -5, it will pad first 3 elements and then original elements are added. Next is Arraypop, which deletes the last element from an array. General syntax is Arraypop and array, where array specifies the name of the array. Here is an example. Here array is defined with element 1, 2 and 3. And if I use Arraypop method with array A, it will remove the last element from the array, that is it will remove 3 from the array. Next is Arraypush. This method push one or more elements onto the end of the array. You can add one value or as many values as you want. General syntax is Arraypush, then array value 1, value 2, where array specifies the name of the array, value 1 specifies the value to add, value 2 specifies the value to add. Here is an example. Here array A is defined with elements 1 and 2, and we use Arraypush method. It will insert 3 and 4 at the end of the array. Next is Arrayreverse, which returns an array in reverse order. General syntax is Arrayreverse, array and preserve, where array specifies an array and preserve specifies if the function should preserve the keys of an array or not. Here input array is defined with elements 1, 2 and 3, and which is reversed by Arrayreverse method. The original array will be 1, 2 and 3, and if we use Arrayreverse method, it will print 3, 2, 1, but the keys of that elements is changed. That is, in original array 3 has the index value 2, whereas after reverse method the index of 3 is 0. And if I use Arrayreverse method with preserve key, that is true, it will reverse the array with its original keys. That is, 3 has the key value as 2, 1 and 0. Next is Arraysearch, which returns an array in reverse order. General syntax is Arraysearch with value, array and strict, where array specifies the name of the array, value specifies the value to search, and strict is an optional parameter which is set to true, then the function will search the identical elements in the array. Here I defined an array with 1, 2 and 2. At index B I assigned the integer 2 and at C I assigned string 2. And if I use Arraysearch method with strict value false, it will return, and if I use strict value true, it will return C.